guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a Victoria's Secret semi-annual haul, and I'm going to show you all the things that I got. I have 3 bags, but I just put them into 2. First, I got these 2 sprays. I actually got like 6 sprays, but I gave some of them away already. This is the Victoria's Secret Backstage Angel. This smells really good. And then the Petal Edge. And these were $3 or $2. And after coupons and stuff that I used, these were just basically like $2 each for the full size sprays. I also got this cute t-shirt. It's like a rose gold and it's got golds in it. And it's just a basic tee, and the price on this, original price is $30 for a t-shirt, and I'm pretty sure I paid like $4 for it. This I found and I thought that it was so cute, guys. I'm probably going to do like a photo shoot or something with this. But this onesie thing, I thought that this was so pretty. And I'm going to wear this out, probably like on a date night or something. But this is the back. And I would try these things on, but I think I'm going to do like a lookbook or something. And for sure, some of these pieces I'm going to wear when I go to Coachella. But I thought that this was super cute. And the price on this was $68 for original price. And I think I might have paid $10 for this. And then you can't really see the material. I'm going to see if I can get close with it and see if it'll focus. It won't focus, but it's a really thick material. Like really thick fabric. These next 2 items I'm for sure going to wear to Coachella. For sure. And they're going to go together. And the first item is this bralette, and it like goes around the neck. And obviously this is the back. And the original price on this was $49.50. Then they dropped it down to $9.99, but I might have paid $4 for this with the semi-annual sale prices. And I'm going to pair this with this pretty sheer skirt with like a leather-ish or faux leather band. I thought that this was really pretty. And it's got like sequins on it. But it's going to be like a cinch waist kind of deal. And the original price on this, and I saw this online, the original price on this was $78. And then they dropped it to $29, but I might have paid maybe $15 for this skirt. So I'm going to pair this with this bralette for Coachella. So you guys will get to see me with this outfit on. Third thing I got, well, I don't know where I'm at. I'm just going to stop numbering. The next thing I got, and I got a bunch of stuff, was this fuzzy sweater. And it's still winter time, and I know this is like kind of like a Christmassy sweater. But this is red. And it's got kind of like a scoop neck thing going on. I got this in a size medium because I really wanted this sweater. The original price on this sweater was $69. Let me see if you can. It's a really fuzzy sweater. The original price on this sweater was $69. Then they marked it down to $34, and I think I paid $15 for this sweater as well. And it's kind of like a cropped sweater, but not cropped too much, just like maybe right above the waistline for this sweater. And I thought, and this sweater feels so good, and I for sure will be bringing this out next Christmas. But I'm probably gonna wear it this winter, but for sure this will probably be one of my Christmassy sweaters next year. And of course, I know that you guys don't really care to see these, but I got like 6 pairs of undies. And they were 5 for $28. And then since it was my birthday on the 1st, I actually had a coupon for a free pair of underwear. This was just like a lingerie nighty thing. And it was original price $49. And then I might have paid $10 for this. But I thought that this was really sexy. So I got this. Next bag, I got another t-shirt, and I thought this was super cute. I love prints and crop tees. This is just a basic like leopard print tee, and it's blue and black. And I compare this with some black jeans, black heels. And the original price on this was $26.50, and they marked it down to $14. But I might have paid maybe $5 for this crop tee. And since I film, and I told you guys that I do movies and stuff, the last set that I was on, I like to always take a big bag with me. I don't usually take my computer, but I take my phone, I take snacks, I take a change of clothes for when I'm done, because I'm not sure if I'm going to be messy or not. And I like to always have a big bag on set with me. And I got this Victoria's Secret tote. And this is the back. And you guys know that Victoria's Secret gives totes away all the time for if you purchase a certain amount of things. The original price on this tote was $58, and it's like a really thick canvas tote. And I paid less than $10 for this tote. Is the receipt in here? I'll tell you how much I paid for this tote. I paid $6.52 for this $58 tote. I'll show you the front. Has like a little pocket thing going on right here in the front, and then on the inside it's got like a place for your phone right here. It doesn't zip, but I don't need it to zip. I just need it to be able to hold a bunch of junk when I go on set. And it's a pretty decent sized bag. Like, it's super huge. And I needed something like this. Next thing I got was this makeup case. And I thought that this was really cute. The original price on this was $38. And this is the front part. Back. And then inside it also has 3 other things. So on the inside it has this smaller case. And then this case I guess you can use for your brushes. And this I'll probably put like lashes and stuff inside. But the price on this was $38. And I paid $8 for this. So I paid $8 for my makeup case with 2 other little bags inside. And I also got one of these for somebody else for Christmas. I also got someone else that pink t-shirt, that rose gold t-shirt, and that cheetah shirt. So I got somebody a makeup case and those 2 t-shirts, and also 1 full-size spray, and for a birthday present. And then I got like 5 extra other sprays. But that's all the items I got. And in total I spent $68.26. Alright guys, that's it for now. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this haul, or if you'd like me to actually try the pieces on, just let me know in the comments below. See you next time. Bye. Alright guys, that's it for now. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this haul, or if you'd like me to actually try the pieces on, just let me know in the comments below. See you next time. Bye.